Meme coins almost always go to zero. I feel like this is something that everybody knows, and in today's video I'm going to be discussing how you can actually short meme coins and make money from the meme coin going down. Now a lot of people don't know that you can actually do this, and it is actually a very cool feature that I'm going to be showing you with this website. And now there is a bunch of websites, but I just want to kind of go over it and quickly show you guys how you can actually short meme coins, since currently we are in a bear market and almost nothing really sends anymore. Now to be able to short a meme coin, I'm just going to show you guys. So we're going to go over to a coin like Bull. So as we can see, it was listed on Moonshot right here, which basically means that the coin was finally listed. Now there's a bunch of ways to see if a coin is listed. You just have to search it up and basically see if the coin is listed. And normally when a coin is listed on something like Moonshot, then you know that you are able to actually trade it on this website, which I'm going to show you guys right now. And the website is called ksex.com, so you guys can use the link down below. Basically they have the lowest fees and they're the best for shorting meme coins, and I'm going to show you guys some examples of meme coins you could have shorted. Now for example, this meme coin right here, as you guys can see, now that it hit around 9 million, you're able to short it, and you can see when it was actually listed, it was listed around 9.2 million. Now the cool thing is, like, when a coin is put on something like this, on a website like this, a lot of people are going to be shorting it, and normally you are able to make some easy money. Now in this market, I feel like a lot of coins, don't really go past 10 million. And if they even hit 10 million, that's super impressive. But this would be a great example of a coin that you could have shorted. And now it can get pretty sketchy because they actually let you use leverage on their website. So as you guys can see right here, you can have the option to use 20x leverage, which is very dangerous. A lot of the times I would recommend just using 1x leverage, which basically just reverses the chart. So you're reverse trading, you'd be shorting it. So if it was at 9 million and you cut 9 million in half, so it's like 4.5 million. So if it went down to 4.5 million, you would make 2x. But the cool thing with this website is if you actually use leverage, and let's say you put 5x, you'll get 2x on 5x. So you'll make 10x your money right there alone. And now the thing with coins like this, and how can you actually know if the coin is going to nuke? Well, it's pretty easy. Sometimes there's hype plays that just didn't deserve to send. A great example would be Lobstar. This is fully just a hype play. I mean, like, this really doesn't have that much utility or use. And as you guys can see, it went to 16 million and you're actually able to short it. And if you did, it went all the way down to 1.5 million. So almost a loss of 90%, which would be, I don't know, way more than that would be like a 9x technically. So if you were to have shorted it right as they listed it, which is around, looks like they listed at 8 million, well, you'd be up like almost 3x right now. And if you also put on leverage, like 5x leverage, well, then you'd make even more money. But the thing with leverage is it also works in reverse. So let's say a coin does actually have some, leverage, and you actually use leverage. Well, that can actually work against you and you can lose your money faster. But I think that it's really important for us to all know how to trade these coins and actually be able to identify them and know when to short them. So I'm gonna just go over like 3 reasons why you should short a coin and not short a coin. So first off, it's basically like the opposite of when you're looking for a sender. So is the coin actually have like longevity? For example, Bull, I honestly don't really see the vision with it, and I think if it were to come up to 10 million again, that is a great opportunity to actually short it. I just don't really see this meme, going up too high. And also there isn't a bear coin, so it doesn't really make too much sense. I'm pretty sure it's just kind of, pumped, and this isn't a natural coin. So this would be a great option to actually short it. Now, once again, as you guys can see, they actually have the option to short it. But like I said, I would probably wait for 10 million. So this is just one example of a coin and some reasons why as well, which I already went over. But yeah, the coin, I just don't really see having a huge future. We can also see these resistance at 10 mil is really, really strong in this area. So you'd probably want to, basically reverse trade. So on the way up, I remember I showed you guys in the last video, all the way down here, I was like, you would probably want to buy down here at around 1 to 2 million. Well, now it's the exact opposite. You'd probably want to short it in this 10 million to 9 million range. And now the cool thing also is, let's say the coin is at 10 million. What is more realistic, the coin going all the way up to 20 million or going down to 5 million? I feel like personally, I feel like the coin going down to 5 million is much more realistic than the coin going all the way up to 20 million. Because if it goes to 20 million, you lose your whole position. But let's say it goes to 5 million, you 2x your whole position. So I feel like the risk to reward on shorting meme coins is also really there. And honestly, it's a great opportunity to, kind of take advantage of. All you have to be able to do is read, charts and make sure that coins don't have good teams or like a lot of hype behind them. And now if you are in like meme coin groups, you guys can actually join my paid meme coin group down below. But these groups will help you out determining if the coin is, really has a good team backing it up or has, some sort of push coming up. And a lot of the times you can just ask one of the groups. So if you don't have one, remember, just check down the link below. Now there is other options. You can just short the actual, market. But let's say you don't know any coins that you should short, or you don't really know like what is popping off. You can actually come here and go to meme, and it'll actually show you a bunch of meme coins. And then I would say sort by the lowest. Oh wait, no. So I would go here, press on meme, and I would try to sort by the lowest volume, because what this means is that this coin isn't getting any more hype. So a great example could be like distorted, just a way overhyped pump. And as we can see, what is that? This coin would have literally went from 0.006 all the way down to 0.0001. What, I don't even know what the math on that is. I think that's like 600x. So this is a really good example of a coin you could short. Now, if you also sort by high volume, it is really hard to find a good coin to short, because these are all just like really big memes. You would have to be mainly using, I would say, Dex Screener, and just look at these top coins and then sort by market cap, and make sure it's also on Pump Swap. And then you can sort by market cap. And let's say, for example, we have this coin Troll. I mean, I think everyone knows this coin. Currently, it's on kind of a generational pump for some reason. But this could be a great example of a coin you'd actually want to short. Now, obviously, I would say you should short it when it was all the way up here at 282 million. But this could be a great time to actually short it, because unless there's a good team, this coin, I don't really see it, for some reason reversing way up. But I would try to find coins personally that are on the way up or have like, topped off already. So like I said, you could just come here, go to Pump Swap, sort by, and just look at trending coins. So for example, let's say LOL. I feel like this coin, it's kind of topped off, doesn't have too much potential. As you can see, there's a massive resistance. Let's say it hits 10 million again. You could just absolutely short it, and it will most likely hit 5 million and be a pretty easy 2x for you guys. Now let's see if you can actually do that on this coin. And you can. So they have it almost on every single coin, which is very cool. Basically, the coin just has to go over like 5 million, and they probably will have it. So I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. If you did, please like, comment, and I'll see you guys next video.